How to download or install Lightroom in your PC. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to download or install Lightroom in your PC or laptop or computer. So let's dive in. So first open your browsers and then you have to search for Lightroom PC. And then you have to just scroll down until you see this option of Adobe Lightroom. And here you can see that I have opened this in the new tab. You simply have to click this link over here and open it in the tab. And now you have to choose your operating system. If you have a Mac, you can choose the Mac OS, and if you have Windows, choose the Windows. I have the Windows, so I'm going to select the Windows option. And now you simply have to click Save. And once you click Save, it's going to start the downloading process over here. So that's a process that you can follow to download or install the Lightroom or in your PC or laptop. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.